Hello, this is Ben Ferris with AKVM Construction and Roofing Group bringing you another video. Today we're at a commercial condo complex and we'll be discussing roof restoration coatings for an application such as the one behind me. As a local company, we like to partner with local companies. That's why we use APOX silicone-based roofing systems with armor flashing and armor flex to properly coat and seal a roof instead of fully replacing it. The main factors when to consider replacement or restoration is cost. If the roof's not too old, mainly restoration will be your best option. With this roof, a full replacement would cost around $500,000 versus a restoration slightly over $100,000. To start off, we have an APOC rep come out and determine the adhesion capability of the silicone-based material. He does this by inspecting the roof and making a determination, giving a warranty that can be up to 50 years. The first step is to prep the roof. We do this by scraping away the rock granules that you see layered on the top and get as many apart as we can, thus exposing the foam roofing system underneath. This is what we need to coat. The next step is to apply armor flash. Armor flash goes around penetrations and AC pads and the perimeters of the roof. This allows us to seal any gaps that may have occurred in those sections and make it easier for us to seal the roof and waterproof it 100%. After prep, the first thing to do is to stage the roof. We do this by placing the buckets evenly across the system based on their coverage amount per the 5-gallon buckets. This makes sure that we don't stretch or try to use less material than it actually is needed for the job. The next step is to then apply armor flex. This is the base coating that goes on the system. This coating will be spread with a squeegee and then rolled evenly across the surface, giving a full waterproof adhesion. After that, the next step is for us to provide safety measures. This system is fairly slippery, so we put down special pads and coatings that give people a safer walkway, as you can see in the yellow painted areas. After completion of the job, the APOC rep then comes back out again to ensure proper installation and certifies the warranty. These jobs are permitted for your record and is beneficial for you to keep on hand for any future problems. Our warranties for this system go 10 years on the workmanship. Here at AKVM Construction Group, we are industry leaders in commercial and residential roofing. And we hope next time you'll give us a call when you're looking for your commercial restoration roofing options. Thank you very much and have a great day.